क्या आप भी देश और दुनिया की खबरों से रह जाते हैं बेखबर? तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए हमारे HT न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
For the first time in Hyderabad, gift an iftar dinner to your beloved ones. Gift a family box. Ramadan, a time for family, food and friends. Celebrate the special season of Ramadan together as one. Gift a kids box. Introduce your children to the diversity within Islam through food. Food is a wonderful way to engage your children over Ramadan. Or gift a standard iftar box to anyone. Order for yourself. Family box, kids box, standard box. Visit our grand stall at Minar Garden Function Hall beside Salah Jung Museum for our special iftar dinner menu. Grilled prawns, buni ran, chicken steak salad, chili oyster fish, grilled chicken wings, mutton ribs, pizza and falafel. Ramadan Kareem special grilled platter.
American classical burger.
Call us now or order online at www.iftarbox.in or download our mobile app for Android and iOS.
అంటే కనబడాలి కానీ వచ్చాను అది కూడా ట్రై చేస్తా
pure ghee, meat, pulses, cereals, and rare spices are used in making world's famous and delicious halim. Pista House Halim, many national and international awards winner. Pista House Halim. Don't miss this Ramadan to savor the delicious and prestigious dish of Hyderabad. Don't forget to visit, lest you miss unique taste.